Alright, so I am super excited right now. I've been working on something behind the scenes and I actually finished it. In the beginning of the series, while I'm becoming, I said I will be working on a digital product. So I created an ebook. When I wanted to start, I was so afraid of what people might think, judgment, negative comments, that I put my idea off for like 5 years. And I was watching everybody creating their business, their dream life, while I was standing on the sidelines. And I said to myself, there's no way I could be speaking about not standing on the sidelines and I'm doing the exact same thing. So this idea came up for me to create a digital product. It's basically a 7-day kickstart plan, also known as your YouTube Launchpad, that helps you to go from fear to uploading your first video. In this ebook, I talk about the exact same process I used to go from fear of judgment to uploading my first video on YouTube. So if you've been waiting, doubting, overthinking, this product is for you. The link is in the description. Go check it out, it's for free. The only thing you need to do is put in your email address and you can download it, and also a copy will be sent to you just to be sure. And I'm so proud of what I created because I know how much this would have helped me when I was trying to start. So yeah, it's ready. Go ahead and download it. Again, link in the description. Come back to this video or any other video and tell me how you benefited from this product. So yeah, go and check it out, and I really hope it helps you to finally take that first step. If you made it this far, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.